How to change keyboard language on Samsung phone. First, you open your settings, go to general management, so you can see the language, click on it. Now the language at the top, the one at number 1, is always the default language. Now if you want to change it, let's say to French, you click on it, you can see that. Then click on the 2 arrows over here by the right hand corner of that language, hold it down and move it to the first position, and that's it. It has become the default language. Now if you want to use English Nigeria also, you hold it down and move it downwards until English Nigeria becomes the first language. Now if you want to add a language and it's not part of the languages here, you can click on add a language, look for the language you want, add it, and then move it just like we did. And that's how to change the language on your keyboard on Samsung phone.